These mini paniyaram are soft, crispy, tangy, and incredibly easy to make. This is how we eat this paniyaram, with a little Idli podi and a touch of ghee. Scoop it gently, and it just slides down your mouth. And this is Pazhaya Soru Paniyaram. The paniyaram looks soft and pale with a gentle crust outside. Inside it's tender, slightly tangy, and very comforting. When there's leftover rice, this is the perfect breakfast to make. All you need is 1 1/4 cups of cooked leftover rice. Start mashing it until soft. Then add a 1/4 cup of rice flour and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mash the rice, flour and salt together with water. Add water gradually, bits by bits. Water makes the batter soft and easy to work with. And just like that, you're done. All with simple everyday ingredients. Don't worry if the mixture is a little thick, it will still cook beautifully. Now cover it and let time do its magic. Leave it in a warm corner for 6 to 8 hours. When you open the lid, you'll find the batter a little thinner, but it's not runny, just right for cooking. For this paniyaram, you can use a non-stick appam pan or any pan that has a hollow bottom. Set the flame to the lowest heat. When the pan is hot enough, sprinkle a little water and watch the bubbles disappear. When they vanish, the pan is ready for the paniyaram. Mix the batter well and scoop a ladleful. Drop the batter gently onto the pan. Take the back of the ladle and gently press the batter to spread it evenly. Only once. Watch as the paniyaram begins to bubble on the surface. Sprinkle in some chopped carrot, fresh coriander and green chilies. Then cover with a lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Lift the lid and brush some ghee around the edges. Brush a little ghee on top of the paniyaram as well. This will keep the paniyaram crispy on the outside. Once the edges detaches from the pan, time to flip and cook. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Do not cover with lid. And just like that, your easy, comforting breakfast is ready. Sprinkle some Idli podi and drizzle a bit of ghee. That's how we love it. Scoop a paniyaram and slide it into your mouth. Soft, warm, slightly tangy and comforting with every bite. And for a bonus, let's make the sweet Sarkarai Paniyaram, just like Amma used to. On the lowest heat, pour a ladle of batter into the pan. When it starts to bubble, cover with a lid and count to 2 minutes. Brush it with some ghee. Cover and cook for another 1 minute. Flip it. Cook till the surface turns light brown. Transfer. While it's still hot, sprinkle brown sugar or jaggery. Just like that, you have your sweet flat paniyaram. Soft, lightly caramelized and sweet with every bite. If you enjoyed our recipe, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and keep watching for more.